What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J Bone here again. Haven't posted a video in a minute on the Cadillac here, so I kind of just wanted to give you guys an update as to what's going on the CTS here. Now this is the 3.0 engine, but doing the water pump on this, I believe that even if you have the 3.6, they share the same water pump and everything. But just want to let you guys know that if you're just replacing the water pump on these cars and your coolant is fresh, like mine was, you can see how pink that is. I mean, I had just flushed this coolant system within the last 6 months, and this is supposed to be like 5-year coolant. So rather than taking off, the lower radiator hose or opening up the petcock at the radiator, and doing a whole new coolant flush, because that's what that new water pump manufacturer is going to tell you to do. I just took the water pump off and let whatever fluid was going to come out of the block there drain out. And it really, look at that. I didn't even get messy with it. I mean, there's some other videos you can watch on the procedure, and they'll just pop it off of there, and it gets pretty messy. Me, I mean, it's got 6 bolts, so I just took off 5 of them and kind of just let it trickle out slowly for maybe 5-10 minutes. And then when I took off that 6th one, I mean, there wasn't hardly anything left. I mean, not even that much coolant came out. I was surprised, actually. I mean, you can see I've still got, I don't know if you can see that. Lighting is terrible today. I've still got coolant in the reservoir. So, and that was after the reservoir already being low, because the water pump was leaking. So, now if you have older coolant, then yeah, I'm gonna say go ahead and flush your coolant system. But with coolant being $20 a bottle, I mean, these things are gonna take about 3 gallons. I didn't feel the need to rush out and buy $60 worth of coolant when the coolant was still good, just because my water pump went bad. Now, obviously, on this car, I'm going to replace the O-rings in here, and I mean, I've obviously got a couple of other things going on. But if I was just doing the water pump and my coolant was that new, I'm not going to flush it. That's just me. I've still got half a gallon left over. I probably won't reuse what I dumped out of it. I've got half a gallon or so coolant that I can use to top that reservoir up with once I'm done here. But that's it. I'll just top it up with some fresh fluid. So worst case scenario, if you didn't have any at home, you go out and buy 1 gallon of antifreeze, and you'll still have some left over when you're done with this job. Now, as far as to why the Gates water pump I bought is made in China, that's another topic for maybe another video, because that's a new one to me. Gates has been around a long time. They've always been an American-based company. I don't know what's going on with that, but apparently all of their water pumps are coming from China now. So I wasn't too thrilled to find that after I already purchased it. Luckily, it's got a lifetime warranty, so hopefully I don't have to take advantage of that anytime soon, but only time will tell. I haven't really, the only reviews I saw that were terrible on the Gates water pumps are apparently their the timing belt driven ones. That come with the timing belt kits on like Hondas and some BMWs and some other foreign names, I think. But those ones all seem to be trash. I haven't really seen any bad reviews on the external serpentine belt driven ones. Mostly all nothing but good reviews actually. So we'll see. Hopefully I get lucky. Fingers crossed. But if your GM deck's cool, is that orange still? I guess I said pink earlier, but yeah, I guess technically it's orange. I don't know. Go ahead and just replace your water pump and slowly, don't make a huge mess and just replace whatever you lose. I mean, it's not worth, unless you just absolutely wanted to flush it again or something, but I really don't see the need for that. Hope that helps somebody save a few pennies. I know it's important these days. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.